A very good morning to one and all present here. Aren't you guys take a good sleep? Let's cheer up this morning. Let's do an activity. मैं बोलूँगी how is the जोश और आप सबको बोलना है hi sir. Okay? So how is the जोश? Nice. How is the जोश? How is the जोश? Okay. Welcome to this vibrant gathering where words will take center stage and thoughts will shape the future. Today, we dive into a theme that touches classroom, careers, and conversation the importance of English in today's world. वो कहते हैं बोली का स्वाद और रिश्तों की मिठास देर तक याद रहती है. The sweetness of speech and relationships is remembered for long. So today, let's make our words sweet, wise, and memorable. To officially begin our program, I now invite Ms. Nidhi Shukla to come forward and give us a brief introduction of today's event. Let's welcome them with a warm round of applause.
So, first of all, good morning, everyone. So, before I start, I would like to ask you a quick question. Like, has any one of you heard about the dialogue? Like, I talk English, I walk English. English is a very funny language. So, can anyone tell me, like, who delivered this dialogue? Should I give you a hint? कौन बनेगा करोड़पति shows host? Exactly. So, according to him, English is a very funny language. So, they say a good speech is like a pencil. It has to have a point, otherwise, it's of no use. Similarly, today our point is importance of English in today's world. And no, it's not just about the grammar and vocabulary. Like everyone here can, like half of the population can speak English, but it's not about the vocabulary and grammar. It like it has to have the confidence, communication skills, and the connection between the people. And behalf of this Oxford Institute, I, Nidhi Shukla, would like to welcome everyone here, our audience, our guests, everyone here. And to enlighten this empowering session, so due to monetization, globalization, like advancement in technologies in today's era, so English has emerged as a very important, undisputed language. Like everyone has to have speak English. In our nation, India, everyone knows. Like if you speak fluently in English, so people consider you as wise. Like he or she is a very intelligent person. So it's like a mindset of people. So to create a good first impression, because first impression is the last impression. So you have to like speak fluently, English fluently in big companies like Infosys and some big companies, like interviews, like candidates give interviews, all happens in English language. If you are fluent, they will hire you, like it will create a good impression. So English is like not only a subject which a teacher teaches, a student learns. It's not only a subject in today's era, it's more than that. It provides us with various skills and various opportunities to ace. So from international businesses to like scientific research to the international media, when everyone gathers at a one place. So how do they communicate, you think? They use English language. Everyone uses that English language to communicate. So in today's world, it is very important. Like we should know how to like ace everything because of English. We should know how to speak fluently with confidence. So I would like to give, like I would like to tell you a small poetry of four lines. So from bite to breath across the digital main, from bite to breath across the digital mean. English flows, a universal chain. To understand, to grow, to reach new heights, it brightens futures with its shining lights. So, we have honorable guests here. So, I would like to welcome them with some words, quite words. So, हर गली अच्छी लगी, हर एक घर अच्छा लगा. हर गली अच्छी लगी, हर एक घर अच्छा लगा. आप आए इस सम्मेलन में तो ये आयोजन भी अच्छा लगा. So now, thank you. So now, let me introduce our guests. Firstly, we have Miss Reva Karade, and secondly, Miss Manju Manoja. Okay, so I would like to give you a quick review, like how our program is going to happen. So, firstly, our anchor, Miss Anushka Karade, will welcome each of the candidate to present their speech on the topic which I already told you. Like, can anyone tell me the topic? Like, what's the topic? Exactly. Importance of English in today's world. So, one by one, each candidate will come, present their speech, and at last, after this, felicitation program will be taken place. Our one of our guide, like one of our guests, will guide us about the program. They will tell us about the flaws of, like, what flaws everyone has, and they will give a quick review of the program, overall summary of the program, and at last we will end this program. So thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity to present this introductory speech. Thanks.
थैंक यू फॉर द थॉटफुल इंट्रोडक्शन मिस निधि. अब वक्त है उन आवाजों का जो शब्द से सोच बदल सकते हैं. लेट्स हियर व्हाट आवर स्पीकर्स हैव टू से अबाउट व्हाई इंग्लिश इज नॉट जस्ट अ सब्जेक्ट but a survival tool in today's world. To begin the chain of ideas, I invite our first speaker, Mr. Pradeep Varade sir, to take the stage and share this perspective on today's theme. And remember, जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते भी है. Let's hear his storm of thoughts with applause.
Good morning to respected guests and friends. Today we have gathered here to give speeches on the topic of importance of English in our daily life and in modern world. English is just not a subject, it is a skill. We need English for job, higher studies and so many things we have done using English speaking. Using English speaking, we can communicate and share our ideas with one another. Thank you.
That was insightful and impactful. Thank you, Mr. Pradeep sir. Now I invite Mr. Yash Shekokar to share their views.
Good morning, all of you, and my respected teachers and my dear friend. Today, I am going to speak on the topic in English important important of English today in world. The English language is constantly form important from a variety of reasons. One of the main reasons of international communication, uh, making it a common language of international communication, and and additionally important many. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Yash, to share your views among us. You know, in English we say, think before you speak. बट इन हिंदी वी से शब्द बाण के जैसे होते हैं, एक बार निकल जाए तो वापस नहीं आते. Words are like arrows. Once released, they cannot return. Let's welcome Bhavesh Lavankar with cheerful claps.
Dear guest and dear friends, I speak about two lines English speaking. English is very important language because English is very important language because is most of the country on the world it is spoken and English. English is English is very important language because is most of the country on the world it is spoken and other understand people from different parts of the world tongue able language. Thank you.
Wow, what a powerful delivery. Thank you, Bhavesh. So let's keep the momentum going. I now call upon Mr. Atharva Lagad to present their speech.
Good morning, everyone, and my respected guest and my dear friends. Today's discuss on the topic of importance of English language. Uh, Today's generation, the English language are most important. Why English language are most important? Suppose we are going to other countries, cities, then how to communicate between their peoples. English language are the one of the language are communicate to their peoples and to take higher knowledge, higher education. Uh, s- Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Atharva, for your inspiring words. They say, सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती. There is no age for learning. And English is that lifelong companion. Over to Mr. Harshal Dhewale.
Good morning, everyone. Respected teacher and my dear friend. I will I will take about English. English is a English is a good language. English it it help you get job. It help you talk to people. Thank you.
Very thoughtful speech. Thank you, Mr. Harshal. In English, we say read between the lines. In exams, students say guess between the options. Let's hear what Mr. Ajay Bisne, has to say. Please welcome him.
Good morning, everyone, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I going to speak on topic English is so important in today's world. However, how you ever wonder why English is so important in today's world? English is a language of international communication. It's used business, science, technology, and many other fields. It can help to get better job. Learning English is a open up opportunities for you personally and professionally. It helps to connect the world and travel cities. English is just not a subject, it is a skill. English is very valuable assets. So dear friends, learn English, and get new opportunities. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ajay. Your words really inspired us to learn English. क्या आप जानते हैं इंग्लिश में जीएच कभी फ होता है, कभी साइलेंट और कभी कुछ भी नहीं. लाफ भी उसी से बनता है. आपको पता है ना, लाफ वर्ड, लाफ मतलब होता है हंसना. शायद इसीलिए इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना भी एक एडवेंचर है. लेट्स वेलकम मिस करिश्मा मैम विथ चेयरफुल क्लैप्स.
Good morning, everyone, respected teacher and my dear friends. I am going to speak on the topic importance of English in today words. So, friends, English is a global language, and English speaking uh, English speaking is a can sorry. English speaking can boost your confidence, personality development, and many 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 books. Most sorry. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच करिश्मा मैम फॉर इंस्पायरिंग डिलीवरी. वो कहते हैं अगर इंग्लिश आती है तो गिनती भी डॉलर में होती है. बट रिमेंबर, लैंग्वेज इज जस्ट अ टूल. योर थॉट्स आर द रियल ट्रेजर. With this, I would like to invite Mr. Manthan Aswarkar for their thoughtful words.
Good morning, everyone, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am going to speak importance of English our daily life. So, friends, we are gathered to the program importance of English daily life. English is very important because English are joining on other countries and studies. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Manthan, for your words. Moving ahead, we now have Mr. Ayan Makeshwar coming up to the coming up to take the mic.
Good morning, everyone, respected guests, and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak on the topic importance of English in today's world. English is the most used language in the world. English is global language in the world. If you know English, you English is the English is the global language in the world. Uh, if you know Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Aryan. That was a very insightful speech. They say words are free. It's how you use them that may cost you. Let's see how wisely Mr. Yatharth Meshram used theirs.
Good morning, everyone, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak on the topic importance of English in today's world. English is a global language. It is it is spoken in many countries. It is language of education, science, business, and the internet. We if we know things. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Yatharth. Next, we have Tushar Bhakre, ready to take us further into the topic.
Good morning, everyone, and my dear respected sirs and my dear friends. Today I speak in topic important of English. English is a very important language in today's world. It is it's people from ex, using other English is used in other world. English is a English is a very English is the main language of education. En- English is a very important language to read books and English newspaper. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tushar Bhakre. That was a very impactful speech. English might not be our mother tongue, but today it is everyone's career tongue. Over to Mr. Atul sir.
Thank you, madam. Good morning, all of you. My name is Atul Sable. Today, I would like to talk about English speaking, importance of English. Anybody tell me why importance of English in this world and your life? Natural, national communication. Very good. National communication means I would English is very necessary. English is a need of life. English is very most important in our life because English language is spoken in every country, in our state and in our district also. When you will go to our school, need English. English is very essential. I would like to some keys of necessary of English language. Global communication. It is very important. Global communication for spoken English. Then tours and travels. Next, educational opportunities. Then technology and science. All these fields in our English language is very necessary, very important. So friends, speak English and learn English. Thank you, sir.
Wow, that was very thoughtful and powerful. Thank you so much, Mr. Atul sir. Moving again ahead, now we have coming up Mr. Satish sir to take the mic.
Good morning, all of you.